And happy weekend sa inyong lahat at wonderful day po sa inyong lahat. Today is Sunday.
Hello guys, we're going to the park 1 o'clock and we're gonna have some fun.
Alright, today is Sunday at ayun, pupunta kami ng park dahil rinding-rindi na gusto nilang pumunta ng park at okay naman yung panahon. Kahit Sunday ngayon ay nag-overtime si Mrs. Ang time ngayon ay 12 p.m. at ang out niya ay 3 p.m. Yung location naman ng park ay nasa kalagitnaan ng bahay namin at ng hospital niya. Doon na lang namin siya antayin, doon sa park. Yan, kaya samahan ninyo kami na pumunta ng park at mag-alaga ng bata. Alright guys, punta na kami ng park.
Which park we are going?
We're going to East Shop Park. Like to go there, Lucas?
Yeah. Let's go park at Bio.
Oh, matar-tarusanan, tagbaganan. Bale, ang pupuntahan naming park ay yung pinaka-sentro dito nga sa Basingstoke. Dito naman sa UK, lahat ng lugar ay may mga parks. Kaya dito ay may enjoy ng mga bata. Pagka maaraw, gusto na pumunta ng park. Walang katao-tao guys eh. Hindi sila palalabas yung mga tao dito. Nasa loob lang sila ng bahay nila. Hindi kamukha sa Pilipinas, maraming tambay, maraming nasa labas. Kaya yung mga bahay-bahay dito akala mo walang tao, pero nasa loob lang sila. Yung tinitirhan namin dito mismo sa town center. So pag pupunta kami ng park, ayun, madadaanan namin itong mall. Dito sa mall may katabing simbahan. Kaya kung papansin ninyo ay may sementeryo. Nandiyan yung sementeryo lang nila. Yan. Yan ang sementeryo nila. Nasa tabi ng simbahan. So ito yung mall. Yan. Dito na tayo sa loob ng mall. Ganda oh. Yan oh, look at that oh.
That's so pretty. That's right.
Just use this one. Alright, dito na tayo sa outside world.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Say hi guys.
Hi, guys. We're going to the park now. We're almost there.
Bale, yun na yung mall. Parang tumagos lang kami. Tumagos. That is a bicycle lane. Iliana, this is a bicycle lane. This is for, yeah, the kids, yeah, walking.
The trolley.
Yeah, trolleys. Cool. Kaya malapit na kami, guys. Siguro dito na lang kami. Dito na lang kami. Here, Iliana. Yan.
Wait, there's another one there.
Oh, ayan oh, look at the duck oh. Ayan oh. Ayan, maraming ducks. Tsaka jutes. Ayan, maraming ducks dito. Ayan. Yan dahil yun, nasanay na rin yung mga ducks dito na ano, pinapakain nila, kaya maamo sila. Ayan oh. I think we need to go there. Ayan oh. Come on. Punta kami doon sa kabila. Ayan. So napansin ko itong mga puno dito ay nagkakadahon na sila. Ayan, ibig sabihin malapit na ang spring. Ayan.
What is a boat?
Yeah, boat.
How can it be a boat there?
Say hi.
Hi. Have a nice day.
See? Ayan. The boat house. Oo, don't go near. Ito yung Istrap Park.
We're gonna.
See, look at that, oh. Yan, napakain nila. Let's try to feed the ducks, the birds. This one. Yeah.
Me too, me too.
You want to feed also the ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wait, Eliana. You need to crack it. You need to crack it. Yan.
They're so hard.
Not all. That is our baon.
Yeah, Mommy.
Lucas, come here. Come here. Here. Oh, dami ano. Ayan, malapit na sila. Malapit na sila. Ayan. Come on, Peking. Peking duck.
Dad, I wanna play.
Microphone. Last one eh. There, very good si Lucas.
Mom.
Say bye-bye na to the ducks.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye, ducks. Yan, tapos na kaming mag bird feeding. Gawin na kami dito sa playground. Ha? Careful. Crazy move. Alright.
Cookie.
Alright, oras na para mag merienda. Hey, how about this, Lucas? Alright, time to eat. Wow, two cookies. Two. That's it. There you go. Ayan. Ayan guys, tuna, 2 PM. Maya maya ay nandito na si Mrs. Ayan. Ayan, pansinin nyo maraming bata. Ganyan, pagka mga Saturday, Sunday dito. Ay, lalo na pagka maganda yung panahon. Sisilabasan talaga yung mga bata. Punta sila ng park. You done? Let me see. What will you do? You throw it, alright? Alright, let me see. Come here, you drink water. Yay! You drink water now. Very good, Lucas. Yan, mommy's here na. Mommy's here. There. Yan, ayokit. Thank you. Yan, pauwi na kami guys.
Can I push Luca?
Yeah, say bye-bye na to the video.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, time to go home na. See you ulit sa mga susunod na videos and vlogs. Yan, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.